Hola, hola, welcome back. So today I have a tutorial. Yay, it's been a while since I've done a talk through tutorial. Oh wait, no, I did one like 2 videos ago. Whatever, I'm still stuck on the Halloween looks. It's just because Instagram is acting up, you know, me deja vivir. Anyways, so today I'm going to be doing a glam look for the holidays. You can create this look for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, for any holiday coming up. So excited because I love the holidays. Who doesn't love the holidays though? But Christmas is my favorite. I just wanted to create something that was affordable, that you guys can go, you know, check some of these items out at your local drugstore. Some of these have become my favorite and they're affordable. So why not do a video of a holiday glam look for you guys to recreate? And if you do recreate, let me know. If you want to see this tutorial on how to get your glam look for your sala, you want to see a holiday glam look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. Now let's get started. So I already did the brows because I feel like the brows are always a freaking problem for me. Like to record, I feel like I take forever. Now we're gonna go to the face. I washed and prepped it, so we're gonna go with the primer, and I've been loving this Bioderma Pore Refiner Primer lately, and it looks like this. I will link all the products down below because we have some good ones here. Oh, and I have to mention that, of course, I always use Benefit Brow products. So yeah, that's what I use on the brows. Now we're gonna go in with the corrector, and I'm using the Dragon Beauty corrector. Kind of pricey now, but when it's on sale, I think it's worth it to get it. So watch for the sales. So I'm gonna apply that under the eye area. So lately what I've been loving to do is apply the corrector and a concealer on top. That full coverage under the eye area, and then when I go on top with the foundation, it gives me that great coverage that I really like under the eye area. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl concealer right on top of the corrector. You may think, wow, she's putting corrector, concealer, foundation, then concealer again. Doesn't that cake up? It does not. It's just amazing. This has been working out so good for me, so I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna go in with the Pure Cosmetics Longwear Foundation and Concealer, and it's the Love Your Selfie, and I'm in the color MG7. This is kind of dark on me, but I still work with it and it's great. So I'm gonna pump that in the back of the hand a little bit. So I'm gonna take some and start blending that into the skin. After you have that well blended, this foundation is just so amazing. I know it's not like quite my color, but it just blends out so nice. Full coverage. It's just a beautiful foundation. So then I'm gonna go in with the Boing by Benefit Cosmetics. So with a glam look, you want that full coverage. You want that nice base before you go and apply, you know, all of your other makeup. So that's why we're going heavy on the products and using, you know, more of the high-end products. But with the eyeshadows and other things, I'm going to be using more of drugstore products, okay? So I'm going to apply that under the eye area and in the place where I want to highlight as well. Next up, we're going to be adding powder underneath the eye area and under here, so then we can go in with the contouring. Fenty Beauty's Butter Pro Filter powder, and I was looking for this all over the place. I just found it. Now we're going to go in with the bronzer, and I use this Hoola bronzer to contour as well. I just feel like it's the perfect shade to do both, and what better than to do both in one, because you know I'm kind of lazy like that. So For bronzer, I know I bronzed up the face with that, but I like to go in with this Betty Lou Manizer by The Balm. I just feel like it's the perfect bronze shade. Oh my god, if you guys don't have this in your life, you need it. It's honestly such a beautiful, just gives your face a beautiful, beautiful bronzy shade. I love it. And with the eyeshadow now, then we'll finish up the face afterwards. So today I'm gonna be using this Rimmel London palette, and this is the Magnify Eyes Reloaded Edition. Look how beautiful that palette is. Look at this blue one. We're not gonna be using the blue today, but look at that blue one. I just love that this is super neutral with that pop of blue, but it is super neutral and it has some champagne shades as well. So I feel like it's screaming the holidays. These over here, that blue está ahí metido de, you know, I don't know why, pero I guess they didn't want to keep it in the neutral. They needed a pop of color, but I feel like this works out for the holidays. Okay, so we're gonna be playing with, like I said, the neutral colors here and the champagne-y color, and then on top we're gonna be adding this glittery liquid eyeshadow by Pixi. This is amazing. These liquid eyeshadows are to die for, and you can find them at Walmart or Target. So yeah, this one is in the color Mirage. So if you see these at Target or Walmart, don't hesitate and purchase them because they are amazing. And now for the holidays, they are so beautiful. I don't know if you could see the glitter on that, but it is just so beautiful. Now, I'm gonna be taking an eye crease brush by Shayna B Miami, and I'm gonna be taking the lightest color here and start working that into the crease as a transition color, you know, to, as usual, to help with the blending. I'll be taking the darker shade here, which is, these don't have names, but this is like the darker brownish terracotta color. So we're gonna work that into the crease too. Bring it down to the lid a little bit, but make sure you darken that crease area. You see how wonderful these shades are blending and how pigmented they are. This is a palette that you find at the drugstore. So you guys, if you see these around, they have a whole bunch. You need to get these in your life. We're gonna take a bigger brush and blend that out a little more. The coppery color here, and we're gonna add that into the crease as well, just to darken that area a little bit more. And we're also gonna be adding that on the outer V, just to darken that area as well. Take a brown color, and I don't have a brown color here, so I'm going to look for a brown shade. Oh, perfect! I found it in the other Magnify's Thunderstorm edition. So we're gonna take that dark brown color from this palette and we're gonna apply that on the outer V as well and work it into the crease as well. So we're just deepening the crease and the outer V just a little tiny bit. I'm actually going to use the brush that came with it just because it's tiny and I feel like we need a small brush just to work it in this area. The outer V and the crease a little bit more deeper and it looks well blended. You're gonna go in with the Pixi liquid eyeshadow. You're gonna apply that on the beginning half of the eye. You just make sure that it dries out nicely so that it doesn't go on crease area. If you don't have this one in particular, you can use any liquid eyeshadow that has glitter. The point is to have a nice glittery half of the eye. Any glitter that you have, you know, you could just use any loose glitter and use it with your glitter glue, or if you don't have glitter glue, just use it with some lash glue and it works the same. We're gonna go in with the brown color again, and we're just going to, with a fluffy brush, make sure that it blends in with the glitter and it doesn't look crazy. So kind of just like blending those two together and making sure that everything else is well blended as well. I'm actually going to go in with this coppery color again. Just feel like we lost some of that color when we added the brown, so I'm just gonna go above that and blend a little more into that area and blend it outwards as well. So now, if you want to add eyeliner, then you can add eyeliner. I think I'm gonna add eyeliner. I'm gonna try using my Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner, which I love, and I need to re-up on this eyeliner. Whew, look at that. After the eyeliner is done, I'm going to remove the excess powder, and I'm going to be using the Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder. That's what this is called, I think. And remove the powder by using this powder. And we're just pressing the powder right into the skin. And that helps with extra coverage, and it helps with the no creasing. Because you do want that makeup to last if you're in a holiday party or something, and you know, this helps with that. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the under eye, and we're gonna be smoking it out a little bit because I feel like in the holidays you need to have that smoky eye. So I'm gonna add the brown color first, right close to the waterline. And I want to add the shimmery coppery color as well, which is this one. And you're going below that brown color and kind of blending the brown color down and making sure it's well blended. So then I'm going to be using the Rimmel London black gel eyeliner. I've been loving this gel eyeliner, but I'm only going to apply it into the waterline. Now that the eyes are almost finished, we're gonna go in with the mascara and the lashes. Today for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Bad Gal by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm applying them both on the top and bottom lashes. Highlight, I'm using Rach Loves Pixi palette in collaboration palette, and I've been loving this freaking highlighter palette. It is just so beautiful. So we're going to be taking Lace, which is this shade up here, and just highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye. So I'm going to be using for blush the Shayna B Miami Blush and Highlight Palette. I've been loving this blush. I love this rosa shade. So I'm going to be applying that on the cheeks. Like to start off on the apples of the cheeks and then blending it with the contour and bronze. Of course, for a glam look, you need extra glam lashes. So I'm going to be using my Scarlet Lashes by Dollar Lash Club. And these are extra glam. We're almost done here. I'm going to add the highlight now to the cheekbones. And I'm going to be using the same color or shade. Whew, look at that. Oh. You need to go to Target and go get yourself some pixi highlighters because these highlighters, OMG. To the nose. And the holidays, be extra with the highlight. Don't be scared. So for the holidays, I love wearing a red lippy. It's just my standard thing for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for New Year's. If you want to tone this down because you feel like the glitter is too much, then you could just throw, you know, a nude lipstick. But all out here, and that means we're gonna go with the red lipstick. And my favorite red lipstick of the moment is this Pixi by Petra Real Red lipstick. And if you haven't tried out their liquid lipsticks, you are missing out. They are amazing. They smell amazing. They feel amazing on the lips. It's like just so satin. They dry to a nice finish, which is, they don't clump up and they don't feel annoying on the lips. I hate a liquid lipstick that just feels annoying on the lips, and that's not what you get with this lipstick. So this is a must have red and liquid lipstick by Pixi. I'm gonna apply that on the lips and then we'll be all done here. Okay guys, isn't this just the perfect red lipstick? It is not that like super like orangey red lipstick, but it's that lipstick with the blue tint to it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful red lipstick. The red lipsticks that I love. I love red lipsticks with that blue tint or blue undertone in it. This is the perfect red lipstick at the moment. I just love it, and the price is super affordable. I think these are $9, so as well they are super affordable. And yeah, I am digging this look. This look is perfect to sit in your sala with your family, eat your Thanksgiving meal, eat your Christmas meal, open your gifts, and go partying for New Year's. I forgot to apply a setting spray. I've been loving the Evian setting spray. So we're gonna apply that all over the face. And now your face is not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay on your face. And I love it. What do you guys think? I'm in love, and I had so much fun creating this here because I feel like I haven't been doing videos like this, and I just love this. I just love, you know, doing videos like tutorials for you guys, even if it's 50 of you watching me. I appreciate it. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.